are going to love the 2017 Beetle Sport. The VW Beetle rekindled the magic of its legendary namesake and became a ray of sunshine in an all-too-serious car market. The Volkswagen Beetle is among the top 10 best-selling nameplates of all time, ranking right up there with the Ford Model T in terms of numbers sold. The design of Volkswagen's Beetle captures the essence of the original bug and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, four-wheel ABS. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.